Tabanan. Actually,
You bought me goodies?
Yeah. So we bought some snack actually on our trip today because
Today's travel vlog.
We will go to kind of West Bali, but not really West Bali. Still in Tabanan Regency, where I am originally from.
I will show you on the map where is it. It's quite difficult to explain. It's middle, north, west, somewhere like that. We will see something what is interesting over there, right, honey?
Yeah.
And first of all, we're gonna meet your friend also, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna pick up your friend. He's gonna show us around because he's originally from there. So he's originally from that area where we are heading to.
Alright, so we are heading to the road to the West Bali actually.
Yeah.
As you see on the road, is mostly the truck, big bus, who is driving a very slow
And sometimes crazy.
Yeah.
We got funny driver who was trying to pass us, but doesn't matter. Anyway, this is the main road to Java, to the harbor. And yeah, enjoy how it looks like.
Let's see this
the big car with the cars, like, you know, the transport main road in Bali.
Yeah, so this road actually. Oh, look the big truck.
It's actually, this road is always crowded. It's the biggest road in Bali actually. However, it's always crowded.
Yeah, so if you want to travel to Java, like you want to travel by land, so this is the road that is the most busiest road to go to Java. So wherever you go, always big bus, big truck. So you have to be patient.
Very patient.
It's totally different whenever you want to travel to the east. So for me personally, to be honest, I prefer to travel by car to the east or to the north because it is much more relaxing
and more safer.
But yeah, it's good also to try to go to the West Bali. So this is a monkey style of driving actually. But he's not drinking alcohol. He's safe, okay?
That's non-alcoholic drink.
Yeah.
Very good, by the way. Not paid endorsement, however, if the company wanna sponsor me, call me.
Finally arrived in a Pupuan area, in a part of Tabanan Regency actually, and then we come to my friend's house. Hello. He's my old friend actually.
Alright, we just arrived to Winnie's friend. I parked the car over there, and this is how it looks inside the Balinese house. Really traditional, older style of Balinese house. This is the big temple. Actually, the temple is quite big, always very important. This is the building, residential building, and this is like a resting area. And when you're already talking with his friend, we'll see how is the things over here today.
Alright, so as usual, whenever I come to Balinese house, you know, the first question they will ask you, Subang Ajeng. But today, I arrived here, just arrived, and then he already made me one special drink. This is called kombucha. Normally, whenever you go to Balinese house, they will serve you like Balinese coffee or Balinese tea, because now he is the boss of coffee.
Big boss.
Yeah. He own you know, business in coffee, so he asked me to try this one, the kombucha.
Try it.
Cheers, the welcome drink. So whenever you go to the hotel, there is a welcome drink. This is I go to the special Balinese house, and this is the welcome drink. Cheers.
Asam nggak?
Enak.
What's your name?
Nanti pintar dia.
Malu
She's
dadaan.
shy.
Itu kopi terakhir tuh yang tahu.
One is famous for coffee like Kintamani, something like that, yeah?
Yeah, but ours is more famous for our Robusta coffee,
Alright.
while Kintamani is for the Arabica coffee. Yeah.
Alright, so now we are heading to the waterfall. Well, actually this is not tourist place, and my friend Suta is the best guide today. He what is it, he took us to the waterfall, and then let's get lost in the beautiful waterfall. Yeah, so I'll show you the road. Oh la la, look at this. Wow, it's a bit raining actually, but this is so great.
Alright, so we arrived to the destination, kind of, because it's actually, we drive like quite far on the very narrow road, very beautiful by the way, and now Winnie's friend, he said it's just 30 minutes as walk, trek now down to the waterfall. Could you imagine that? I thought maybe 3 minutes, but 30 minutes. But it's beautiful. It's stormy weather actually, so it's wet and it's even thunderstorm sometimes, but it's very nice to be here and trespassing this and go to see very local waterfall. Always something new, little bit of adventure, right? Are you excited about adventure?
Yes.
Like Jumanji. Have you watched the Jumanji movie? This is something like this.
See, the rain is gone now.
Oh yeah, the rain is gone.
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. And it's jungle vibe.
Oh, can you hear the sound of the jungle like beep, beep?
Alright. See you at the waterfall. Oh, can you hear the thunderstorm?
But it's nice, very nice. I can smell like, you know, the smell of the nature is so cool.
We are climbing and everywhere around. So tiring, but it's actually nice as it's rainy, you know. This is the Robusta coffee, growing widely. Very nice actually. I'm super excited about the waterfall because it's totally non-touristic one. Something interesting. Welcome to Jumanji. This is already kind of river over here. Oh, and check this out, how the clean water is. Unbelievable. It's super clean. Great. Like I said, the water is as clean as still over there. The people having a shower in the river like old school. This is quite rare on the south of Bali, but still possible over here. Beautiful, right? At the beginning I was kidding about Jumanji, but honestly it's a little bit like that now. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Jumanji?
This is like adventure in the real jungle.
Yeah,
And
real jungle, no doubts. Whew. So tiring, that's so nice. Can you hear the sounds of the Jumanji Jungle? Whew. They could make a series of the movies recording in Bali. Very nice sound, right?
so, what is it, Bli?
This is like the leftover coffee cherries after harvest. Some
Oh,
of them are not taken because it was left.
Robusta or Arabica?
This is
Robusta
Robusta
coffee. So, as he told before, Pupuan area is famous for Robusta coffee. So, can you hear that, the sound of real beautiful nature? And this is the first waterfall actually, and only us here. So beautiful.
Just arrived to the second waterfall, which belongs to this place.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful. It's smaller, but it's very beautiful. It's actually very tall. Oh, sorry, umbrella
Very
is
high.
because it's rainy, so have to be careful. And behind me is also the temple. So if you're gonna be surprised why the title of the video is trekking through the Jumanji Jungle in Bali, now you know, because it's really similar. It's very familiar.
It's really like
Really jungle.
It's not tourist place actually, and then it's really like hidden gem in the jungle, as you see, and you hear the nature. So beautiful. If I compare with the North Bali, I prefer this one.
Yeah, definitely. This one is more.
And then of course no ticket. We didn't pay the ticket actually.
Yeah, because it's totally non-touristic. I'm not sure how many white people like me was here, so it's quite exciting. Okay, it's big rainy la. we are so sweaty actually after the
Yeah,
trek.
a little bit
Was also a little bit rainy. I got so many mosquito bite, Winnie also, but was really worth it.
Yeah,
Winnie said already
so-
goodbye, and we got
Yeah.
even some gifts like a goodies.
Like I told you before, he is the boss of coffee. So he owns quite lots of land in Pupuan, and he owns a coffee coffee company. So we've got this one.
Very
Thank you
nice.
so much. And then I just want to say good luck on your business, and I hope that
The new starter, by the way.
Yes.
So this guy previously used to work in the hotel industry, like many of people.
he used
and
to
now,
be a manager in a hotel, in a 5-star hotel, and then he decided to build his own business, coffee company. So
So,
good luck for him.
good luck.
He's very nice guy.
Okay, and now we are going to the Sleeping Buddha. Comment below if you know the place. If not, I will show you now.
Alright, so we are arrived in Wihara Dharmagiri, especially in Tabanan. So if you think that there is no Buddhist temple in Tabanan, here it is. And behind me, there are a group of people already here to taking selfie. Let's see how it is inside. Alright, so if you have been to Thailand, and then if you visit like a Buddhist temple in Thailand, and then you see the sleeping Buddha statue, well, actually that if you are stuck in Bali and then you want to know, this is in Bali actually. So no need to go to Thailand to see the sleeping Buddha. This is beautiful with the beautiful views around the mountain, green forest. Wow.
So as you can see, this place is a little bit different than I was in the Buddhist temple in Lovina. Do you remember maybe? And there also I had to pay the ticket. Interest fee was 20,000 rupiah or something. Here is free. Of course they have a book like you put your name.
Yeah,
donation
just like
book.
registration, like donation book. So this is not officially
Touristic
like tourist place. This is not official tourist place, but yeah, you can come and see how it is, the Buddhist temple, and then you are not charged for the ticket. So this is like your, you know, you just you can pay whatever you want,
Yes.
just
So
as donation.
today is very rare viewed part of Bali, and it's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
beautiful.
Wow, it's very big rain. I'm so happy that I can see rain, because for few days ago it's not even rain, and it's very hot. It was very hot days during a week. Sorry, Bang, nggak denger. lunch actually with the beautiful rice paddies here.
And the rain sound is very loud. I don't know if you hear me, but the view is amazing.
Alright, so our lunch is here actually. We order gurame. Gurame asam manis. With the pineapple. Looks so yum. And then mie goreng. And then we order two nasi, yeah. And this one, this is the special one, special dish that is only in Tabanan area.
Rain is finished and the fish is so good, by the way. By the way, this fish is eating for sweet, and it's not saltwater fish, it's the local Balinese fish. And here is like a pineapple and everything, so it's very sweet actually, but very nice. If will be no rain anymore, we will walk little bit down there through the rice fields, right, honey?
Yes.
You enjoy your food?
Oh my god, this is the best food ever with the view, and this is not tourist place at all. So as you see, only us here.
Alright, we after lunch and look at this beautiful rice fields.
Look at this beautiful rice paddies. Oh my god.
It's just after rainy, actually still little bit rainy, and it's
Yeah.
already quite late, that's why we have to go home. But this beautiful view is very recommended, this warung, if you like fish, but if not, they have nasi goreng or mie goreng, so you will
Yeah.
be fine.
And then the price is just like less than tourist place. Very
Yes.
cheap.
But you have to take advantages, it's very remote area, it's
Yeah.
like not in Ubud or Jatiluwi.
Yeah, it's really good sometimes, you know, to get lost or just to explore Bali, right? You know, like just go inside Bali. So this is how it is.
It
you
is
know.
inside the Bali. I will show you the map where it's roughly it is. And yeah, what do you think?
Super beautiful. Alright, so I think that's all our video today. You already watched us when we were in the jungle, find out the beautiful waterfall, and then go to the beautiful Buddhist temple.
Buddhist temple and beautiful rain on the way, by the way, also.
And
very
then the beautiful rice paddies behind us.
And
So I think that's all for video today, guys. Thank you for watching.
and see you tomorrow, like always. Take care.
Bye.
Stop on the middle of the road, as you can see. By the way, look, this is the rice.
Oh
it's
my
so
god, this is
nice.
so beautiful. And look at that behind that, if you can catch over there, it's Mount Batu Karu. It's not Mount Agung actually, it's Mount Batu Karu that is located in Tabanan Regency.
Over there. Very nice.
Coconut trees, rice paddies, and Mount Batu Karu.